I would recommend being a postgrad student at Cardiff University just because of the amount of support that the university offers, whether that's to do with careers or helping with assignments. I feel like everyone at the university really pushes you to succeed, which is definitely something that you won't take for granted. The thing I've enjoyed most about studying marketing MSc, I think, is the people I've met. So I've met a wide range of people from different backgrounds and cultures who I would have never met before. And then one event that I really enjoyed was the hackathon that we did in November, which really allowed you to apply what you've learned to actual business contexts. The skills that I'm developing on the course will really help me in my career, just because things like working with a group and doing different teamwork really help you grow confidence in working with other people, which can be quite scary at certain points. And I think I can say the same thing about presenting. So I hadn't ever done much presenting in front of an audience, but now I can confidently say that I'm experienced in doing so. I think the thing I enjoy most about living in Cardiff and while studying at Cardiff University would be how accessible the facilities are. So say I'm in the business school, I'm only about 5 minutes away from the library and another 5 minutes away from the gym. So I'd say that's definitely one thing. And then some other areas in Cardiff, like both Butte and Roath Park, are just really nice to enjoy with friends. I'd say my experience at Cardiff University has been exciting, challenging and rewarding.